Hello everyone, it's Kribini. Welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a wonderful and great day. Things are going your way. As you can see, this is just an update of construction boom in Santiago Dominican Republic. This is off of Ekman. And this building is going up pretty quick. Whenever you have construction, you always have a mess. This is the sign to the other construction company that's actually putting this building up. And this is just an update of the process of the construction here at Santiago, beautiful sunny Santiago, Dominican Republic. I also was told that the labor is the Haitian people, and they're also actually allowed to stay on premises until the project is complete if they don't have anywhere to stay. So they actually stay here until the project is complete. A lot of concrete gonna go into this building. A lot of concrete. Very dangerous too, because I see very little scalpels. Very little scalpels. And this is the sign of what's to come, and what it's going to look like when it's complete. Nice little backyard, patio. I pray the safety of these people as they put this building up, that nobody gets hurt, nobody gets injured. Sometime on this construction site, people do get hurt, people do get injured. So I'm bringing you an update, as I always do. Kribini, bring it to you first. All right, hit that subscription notification. Remember, life is to be enjoyed. Till the next video, peace.